Hope you all are doing great. So I'm here to present security systems and CCTV repair shop software, which can help you to send estimates, custom, and many things. Let's start from the booking. Booking where your customer starts from. Maybe you don't have bookings online from your website, then you can simply go to estimates and start creating an estimate for your customer. So once your customer lands on this page, they will select the system type, then they will select the manufacturer. If not available, they will just select the other. Then they will select the available systems. If there's no system available, they will select other, and then they will enter serial number if they have, and the note about that system that they are looking for whatever service like design and installation or whatever, repair, part and replacement. This is what I have booked this service for. Once a customer books the service, admin will instantly receive an email that you have a new booking order. All right, so admin will come here and check the booking order, and then admin will open the order and see what parts and services will be required in it. Like you can see, I have added some further parts and here, and then it will be sent to customer. Once the estimate have been sent to customer, before that customer already have received their logins, so they can sign in the system and they can see their estimates and jobs. Then they will receive a confirmation that we have received their booking order, and once you send them the estimate will come here, and they will receive estimate like this, which have option like they can approve or reject it, because initially they booked it for $200, but adding other items in it, its cost become $385. Now customer can approve or reject it. Let's say customer have approved it, they will land on this page of your website, and after that estimate will convert to job. Now this estimate is not functional, so you will go here and manage the job. Like this is a system being worked on, and you can add more systems here. If you are working on a new job, and you can add parts like here, you can add services like here, you can add parts here, and you can add inline items like used power cable or used which cable is not part of your inventory and you are using in your customer system. All right, and this is how you can use it, and it will add in the total. This is how you can print work order for your technician, and if you assign a technician to this job, this work order will be automatically sent to them, and they can log in their system and see all jobs assigned to them. This is the repair ticket or the installation ticket, whatever you want to call it. You can change it and you can hand over it to your customer, so they can check their job status anytime they want on your website. And this is how you can receive payments, and you can receive online payments, cash payments. This is a cash payment I made by going to this option, take on-site payment. And this is the invoice. If you want to give it to your customer, the invoice of the job, it will show the received balance and the remaining balance, the services, the parts, the extras used in the service. And this is the cash receipt, payment receipt. If you want to give your customer a payment receipt before giving them the final invoice, like if you are receiving upfront, you can give this receipt to them. And this is the calendar where you can see all your ongoing jobs and by their installation date or by next service date. And these are the systems. We already have added some systems here, but you can add as many systems as you want, and other systems will be those systems your customers added while booking their job, and those and they did not find the system in your database, so they added their own system. And these are some services. You can add as many services as you want, and you can add services on fly, just I showed you before on the job page. This is where your customers can come and check their job status. They will simply input their case number, and they will see the whole timeline of their job, that whom it was assigned to, what payment have been received. And below they can also download the PDF of their job. PDF means the invoice. They also can receive print the invoice of their job anytime from this page. They can also attach files and add messages, so technician can see that. And this is once the job is done, they will be sent a review request if you have enabled it, and they will just receive it like this, and they can leave the feedback to the job they received, like 3 stars they will write there, and they will select what they want to do with it. You can also send Google review links instead of using systems review option if you prefer to receive reviews on your Google. So system will send them Google, and this is their customers account where they can see their all ongoing jobs, their estimates and their tickets. And similarly, they can view their job, download invoice, add message on their job and estimates. They can do similar things, and here they can leave the reviews of the jobs which have been delivered, because jobs goes through several statuses like new order, in process, waiting for parts, or installation phase, and then the last is completed or delivered. And these are the systems, customer systems you will be see here, and customer can always book a service for their system, like they have one system already here, and these systems will automatically come to customers account once they have booked a repair or once their job is completed. And then this is also, so customer simply can come here and book their service just from here instead of going to website. And these are the services, and you can also see the single service page. You can have services like this, you can style them very nicely, and we can also help you to style them better. And this is the single service page, and like emergency response, you can use different price for CCTV, fire alarm, and different for networking and VoIP. Whatever systems you repair or provide maintenance or installation, you can have different price for all. And you can also have different price by system, and you can also have different price by manufacturer, and that will apply. And below, for emergency response, customer can simply start booking their job within this service page, and this will make it easy for them. Also, this is a single system page where you can see a system's image and its a little description, and all the services available for this system, and or at what price. Customer just can go to remote monitoring, and it will start booking this service for them. See, the device already have been selected because customer is coming from that device page. Okay, and this is the part where you can have several variations, like for a surveillance hard drive, you can have 2 terabyte surveillance hard drive, 4 terabyte surveillance hard drive, 4 terabyte hard drive, quality 3, and they will be used in jobs like, you can see storage. This is how they will be used. And you can add simply you can add another variation, just name it 6 terabyte hard drive or whatever, and it will be used as a variation of surveillance hard drive. After that, you have reports, and you can have more reports. You can manage clients, you can manage managers, technicians, system types, customer systems, manufacturers, and system types and systems. Everything you can manage from here. You can see all payments here, you can see all job reviews here, and you can edit job reviews. And from settings, you just will need to change the device to system, because we use device here by default. And these are few changes you will make, and it will start working as you want. You can make adjustment to email notifications. You can also set up maintenance reminders. This can be very useful for the type of business this type of business where periodical maintenance reminders are very effective. Like you can send after 365 days if to fire alarm owners that their system needs repair or maintenance or whatever, and automatically email will be sent to them. Whatever email you will paste here, email's design will be like this. Here will be your logo, here will be your email and your company name, and between will be the content, and below this will be a footer, which will be your company's name and your company's address. So these are some things, and I hope you like the software. If you have any questions, please post below. Thank you.